Hey everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make Mongolian beef. It's a simple and delicious recipe with very few ingredients. Let's get started. I've taken half kg beef cut into small pieces and a tablespoon of corn flour. Corn flour well, it should coat on the beef and keep it aside. Pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot enough, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Fry this till the raw aroma goes away. Add beef and saute for about 5 minutes. Bring the flame up to high. A tablespoon of chili flakes. You can use chili powder as well. Fry it for 30 seconds. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Also 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Give it a good mix. I'm using 2 cups of chicken stock. You can use beef stock or vegetable stock according to your liking. Give it a good mix. Bring the flame back to low. Cover and cook for 20 minutes or until it's done. It's been 20 minutes now. Let's check the beef. The beef is done, cooked perfectly. If you like to have gravy like this, switch off the flame. Garnish with some sesame seeds and spring onions. I want it dry, so I'm going to leave it for a few more minutes. It's getting dry. We used only 4 or 5 ingredients. Very simple and delicious recipe. It's almost done. Our Mongolian beef is ready. This is how I want my beef. Sprinkle some sesame seeds and serve hot with white rice. Do try it and let me know how it goes for you. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking!